Hi, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Sylvie, and today I'm going to show you how to place trades automatically using the Whaletail app. Now, exchanges give you a limited capability of placing trades. Whaletail allows you to go just a bit further. Let me show you how. In order to place trades automatically using the Whaletail app, you'll have to go to the Whaletail AI website. From here, you click this button, try it now. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where from you can install the Chrome extension. Then you click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and this will add the Whaletail AI extension to your Chrome browser. First of all, you will have to go to the Extensions button and pin the Whaletail AI extension, so you have it neatly right here on the right side. After the installing process finishes up, you will be redirected to the Whaletail blog. In the blog, you will find articles about the app, but most importantly, these three articles, Simple Trade Automation, Trade Scenarios, and Trade Strategies, will show you how to better use the app. Today we're going to talk about Simple Trade Automation. For the other features of the app, we were gonna talk in a different video. So you can find more details in the blog for Simple Trade Automation and the other features, but given the fact that this is a video, let me show you how to use it. We've installed the app, we have it right here. Now we want to go to Binance and we want to trade something. We want to make some money. We go to the classic terminal from Binance, and what a perfect day. Bitcoin is at 70,675. And what we want to do, let's say we want to buy more. We want to FOMO into it. We want to take it to the edge. In order to do that, Whaletail allows us to place a shadow trade. A shadow trade means that your trade won't appear in the trade stack in the left side, so nobody will know that you want to buy some Bitcoins. How do you do that? You click on the Whaletail extension, you click on New Trade, and you'll have 3 easy steps in order to create a simple trade. First off, you gotta select the last price ticker. You gotta click this button, and then as you can see, it will highlight what the app is currently seeing. So the last price ticker is this one right here, which updates to the latest price of Bitcoin. You click it, and then the app will reopen and ask you for the price input. We select the price input because we want to buy some Bitcoins, right? Then it will ask you for the amount input. We will select the amount input. And the last thing is that we want to select the buy or sell button. So if we want to buy something, we're going to select the buy button. But if we want to sell something, we're going to select the sell button. So let's select the buy button because we want to buy some Bitcoins. And then we're going to hit next. Here, Whaletail will require from you to fill out the trade label, which is a simple way for you to know what trade this is. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin to the moon. Of course, we want to buy it to the moon. Now the price, let's say we made our TA and we think that it's safe to buy Bitcoin at 70,800. So we're going to enter here 70,800. And the amount, let's say we want to buy a pizza worth of Bitcoins. So we want to buy 10,000 Bitcoin. When do we want to buy it? Well, we have different options, and I think all of them are pretty self-explanatory, but let's quickly go through one of them. The other ones, you can find them in the blog article. So let's say we want to buy when Bitcoin price is more than or equal to 70,760. So now Whaletail is gonna place a buy order of 10,000 Bitcoin, which is quite a lot, at a price of 70,800 whenever the current price of Bitcoin is more than or equal to 17,760. We hit up next, we review our trade settings. So the label, buy Bitcoin to the moon. The trade price, 70,800. The trade amount, a pizza worth of 10,000 Bitcoin. And when do we want to place this order? When the price is more than or equal to 17,760. And then we confirm the trade. And this is so easy to automate trades. And you can place trades in parallel. So you can buy and you can sell at the same time if you're in a difficult position and you don't know exactly what will happen to the price. Now I could go to the trades list and see that I have a buy order for Bitcoin. At the same time, I could place a sell order for Bitcoin. That will allow me to leverage my risk. So if Bitcoin falls, I can sell some Bitcoin. The buy order will never get placed because it will probably fall down. And I don't want to be caught out. So I can place a sell order at the same time. Awesome, right? If you want to learn about other features, stay tuned for future videos. So subscribe, like, and hit the bell button to get notified. See you later. Bye.